This bird got stuck in Buddy's food dish trying to get his dog food out. And Jaden's going to release the bird.
Buddy?
Oh.
We're not going to try eating that bird.
Maybe you should hold on to Buddy, Ryan.
Ew, it just pooped. It just pooped.
Well, yeah. You know what you have to do to get that out of there?
Just take the lid off.
Yeah, just take the lid off
I know.
and see if it figures out how to get out.
Wait, which way is it facing? Okay, that way. I can't get it to stay still. I can't take the lid off.
Ryan, you may have to do this.
Yeah, Daddy can do it. I can't take the lid off. There's so much bird.
And Jaden can hold on to Buddy. Yay!